This is my extreme minimalist wardrobe. And here is my minimalist wardrobe today. And here is it all laid out today. Let's start off with my shoes. I've got these are like $30. They were super cheap. They're super comfy. Don't have to tie your shoes. It saves time. They're really nice. I highly recommend these. And then I got these dress shoes at Goodwill. These are really good for church, and they just look really nice, look really fancy. And let's go to my more fancy stuff. So this is all my clothes. But then I also have like special occasion clothes. I got both of these suits at Goodwill for super cheap. But it's nice, you want to look nice for church or just, if you're going out or something. So yeah, I got 2 suits, and then I have 2 ties, and then another white undershirt and a sweater for when it's cold out, and then a winter jacket if I'm going to the snow. And I cleaned that up since the last video. Yeah. So the philosophy behind my wardrobe is everything I have is replaceable. Like if I lost all of this, it's so easy to replace because it's all really simple. It's just all black stuff. Like if I lost this outfit, I could just get it back in a day. And then the other thing is to reduce decision fatigue. Like we spend so much time, what am I gonna wear? What am I gonna wear? Wearing all black because it's timeless. You can't go wrong. Just having a minimalist wardrobe, it just looks so nice. Versus I used to dress so stupid, and then you're just self-conscious and you're like indecisive about what you're wearing. And if you just have the same outfit, you don't have any decision fatigue. It's less decisions, so you can focus on what actually matters in the day. So let's organize all this. So here it all is. So let's start with what I'm wearing. So first I got my Birkenstocks on. They mold to your feet and they're just so nice to wear around the house. Got obviously 2 pairs of socks. Got these really elastic red shorts. They're just really nice for sleeping in. Black shirt. And here are all my socks. This is the perfect amount of socks to have. I don't need any more, don't need any less. And as you notice, there's no underwear here because I just go commando and it's just so much more comfortable. I know it's different for all people, but that's just what worked for me. It's one less thing to worry about. So up here, I have 3 of the same just black hoodies. I literally got these at Walmart, and they're so comfortable for some reason. And I've worn them in videos. They fit really nicely. And they're only like $8 or something. So I like having a lot of them. So I have 3 of those. Really nice in winter. And they just look really cool. And so up here, literally just a plain pair of shorts. All this stuff, it only costs $20 max. It's really cheap. It's got a nice pair of comfy black shorts for working out or when it's summer. And then up here got another pair, so I have 2 pairs of those shorts. And just a plain white shirt. Yeah, that's my only non-black shirt. And then obviously 2 more pairs of socks, or one more pair. And then I got some sweatpants, when it gets cold out, it's nice to have something, more comfy, more elastic. Again, these were from Walmart, so they're super cheap. And then I've got my shirts. And so right here, I've just got a long black sleeve shirt. I do need to iron this, but I think long sleeve shirts are really nice. I got this in a pack of a bunch of shirts, but it's just really cheap. All this stuff is so cheap. If I lost it all, I could just replace it in a day. There's nothing special about it. I don't have any special attachment to it. And then right here, I really like this shirt because it fits comfy, and SpaceX is a pretty cool company. Yeah, so I just have these shirts, and I have 2 of those. And then my pants. These are the pants I wear all the time. Just got 1, 2, 3 pairs. They're just really nice, simple pair of pants. And you can't go wrong. Like I said, all this stuff is simple. There's nothing really special about it. And people don't even notice. People don't notice that you wear the same stuff. Or the same style. It's what's inside that matters. And then I just got 1 belt, obviously. All this stuff is just really, really cheap. I could buy it all again. But yeah, that's pretty much my realistic minimalist wardrobe. And I know for girls it might be different. They might want some more stuff. And actually most of my audience is females. This is the ideal amount for me. Like sometimes I've got rid of too much and then I have to wash my clothes too much. But this I can like last like a decent amount of time without having to wash my clothes. And since I'm working from home, you know, I can wear it multiple days in a row and you know, reuse it, not have to, you know, waste all that time washing clothes because, you know, I'm just working from home. But yeah, let's put it back now.
And there we go. And all my clothes are back. Perfectly. It looks nice.
Now, if you're gonna declutter your wardrobe after this video, take your time, please. I've made so many mistakes when decluttering my wardrobe. What you should do is, I encourage you to declutter your wardrobe, but take all the stuff that you're thinking about getting rid of, put it in like a bin or a bag, put that bin or bag in like a closet or put it somewhere out of mind. And if you don't miss it, if you don't think about it, then it's fine
To get rid of, give to a friend, give to Goodwill, or sell it. You could like sell it on Depop or something. But take your time and like do like a test period where you don't have it for a week or two, and if you miss it, then you should probably keep it. So just take your time. But I think it's important to get rid of decision fatigue.
Like it's part of living a simpler life, having to make less decisions, including what you're wearing. And so that's why I just have the same, all black outfit every day. It looks really nice. People don't really even care. And I don't wear any logos. And the logos I do wear, like people ask me, they're like, "Oh, SpaceX, like it's a good conversation starter." Like there's lots of stuff that I like, and I don't want to just express myself with a bunch of logos. Like I love my icons, but if I was wearing a shirt with like a huge icon and just all this stuff on it, it just looks kind of like tacky. So just wear like small minimalist logos, like that SpaceX shirt, or no logos at all. And don't buy any new stuff. Like don't just go, "Oh, I need to go on a minimalist shopping spree and redo my entire wardrobe," because you're just gonna waste money, and then you could regret it. So instead, just be like, I'm gonna declutter what I have, and if I am gonna buy something new, go to a thrift store, go to a estate sale, go to a Goodwill, buy something cheap, or go to Target and get like a 5-pack of long sleeve black t-shirts or plain black t-shirts. Honestly, plain stuff just looks a lot better in most cases. So hopefully those are some good tips. Comment what your minimalist wardrobe is like, if you have more or less clothes, and thank you for watching. Bye.